Oh, it happened. I hit a tree mid-fly, and the drone dropped straight down. At the first glance, broken propellers, but the real problem was the gimbal. Vibration dampers were completely in turn.
I'll take you off the police.
Hey, wait, you swore!
Trust me.
Okay, let's fix this problem. To fix the issue, the drone needs to be partially disassembled to access the gimbal assembly. First, we carefully remove the top cover of the drone. This requires unscrewing the screws and gently lifting the shell without damaging any internal clips or cables. Do it carefully, the drone is so fragile, it's easy to break. Removing the top part of the drone taking some time. We also need to remove the two side protective covers of the gimbal mounting assembly that give us a better access and made it easier to remove the vibration dampers later on. Once covers are removed, we disconnect the gimbal from the main board. This includes carefully unplugging the ribbon cable and any connectors attached to the gimbal module. Extra attention is required here to avoid tearing the cable or damaging the connectors. After disconnecting all connections, we proceed to detach the gimbal assembly from its mounting points. The gimbal is secured within the drone frame and held in place by vibration dampers. As you can see, the damper is completely destroyed, so I need to order a new one and replace it.
A few moments later.
Let's take another look at the damage and I'll show you the new part I ordered. It costs around $15 for 2 pairs of dampers. Now I will show you how properly install the dampers and align them. One side of the gimbal has 3 mounting points and a white marker on the main leg. The dampers has matching markers to guide the alignment. On the other side of the gimbal, there are 4 mounting points and a white dot marking the main leg. The dampers have the same marking. Next, we reconnect the gimbal to the drone. Make sure you install it from the correct side, or you might end up tearing the dampers again if you need to remove them. Notice that the damper mounts have a different width, and the slots in the gimbal match those widths. This helps ensure the damper is installed in the correct orientation. Doing the same operation from other side. With the gimbal secured, it's time to put everything back together. Just follow the exact reverse order of how we took it apart. While reassembling, I noticed I routed the gimbal cable the wrong way, so I have to fix it. This is the missing part. After fixing the cable, I continue assembling the drone in reverse order. Make sure screws not over tighten, it's so easy to break this. The side covers were the hardest part to put back on. Take a moment to see how they lock in place before installing them. And be careful, the cable on one side that's easy to tear. Now for the final step, installing the top cover. It's held in place by several plastic clips, so take your time and don't snap them. All that left is tightening the final 4 screws, and then we are ready to install the battery. Alright, the battery is installed. Now we need to calibrate the gimbal to ensure everything works properly.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young. it's just begun.
I forgot to not touch the drone during the process. That's why I have to try again.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running
And we're
wild.
done. The drone is back in action. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the future content. See you next time.